Hello everyone, welcome to AMS Academy. I am Shaurya Gupta. I am here with today's current affairs. So, before we move forward, subscribe our YouTube channel AMS Academy and press the bell icon for daily current affairs. Now, let's start with today's current affairs. First is World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is celebrated on 17th June in order to raise awareness about the sustainable use of water and land, and the implementation of measures to prepare and anticipate water shortages, desertification, and drought. Next is Santosh Jha, appointed as the next ambassador of India to Belgium. Currently, Santosh Jha is the ambassador of India to the Republic of Uzbekistan. And recently, the Shambhu S. Kumaran is appointed as the ambassador of India to Philippines. Next is Maya Nair, appointed as the Director and Chief Information Security Officer at CRISIL Limited. CRISIL is an Indian analytical company providing ratings, research and risk and policy advisor services. Its headquarters in Mumbai. Next is R.R. Swain, appointed as the new Intelligence Chief of Jammu and Kashmir Police. He replaces Dr. B. Srinivas, who has been posted as Commandant General. And if we talk about Jammu Kashmir, it is a union territory formed on 31st October 2019. Its capital is Srinagar and the governor is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next is Union Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy launched Germi Van, a device developed by Atal Incubation Center and Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of India, Women Entrepreneurs Hub. Next is the Defence Institute of Advanced Technology in Maharashtra has developed a biodegradable face mask named Pavitrapati based on nanofibers Ayurvedic product which act as virus neutralizer and resist the bacteria. Next is Chef Angad Singh Rana has been announced as the winner of New Zealand's first virtual chef competition, the Quality New Zealand Culinary Cup held in India. He won the cup along with 50,000 rupees worth of New Zealand Anzi lamb and seafood. Next is Indian cricketer KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja and Cheteshwar Pujara have been issued notice by National Anti-Doping Agency for failing to disclose their whereabouts. Two other women cricketers, Smriti Mindhana and Deepti Sharma, also received similar notices. And if we talk about National Anti-Doping Agency, this agency is the national organization responsible for promoting, coordinating and monitoring the doping control program in sports in all its forms in India. CEO is Naveen Agarwal and formed in 2005. Now next is Indian Institute of Sciences Bengaluru have developed workplace readiness indicator for organization to insulate their workplaces from corona pandemic. It is an online assessment tool developed along with Karnataka State Disaster Management Authority. Next is the Delhi University will be setting up a School of Climate Change and Sustainability under the Institute of Eminence scheme. It will take up research in priority areas related to environmental changes. Next is India has joined the League of Leading Economies including USA, UK, European Union, Australia, Canada, France and others to launch the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. India will actively participate in the global development of artificial intelligence. Next is Indian Energy Exchange has launched the country's first gas trading platform, the Indian Gas Exchange, for physical delivery of natural gas. It provides a neutral and transparent marketplace to multiple buyers and sellers. Next is ICICI Bank launches Insta Flexi Cash, an online overdraft facility for its salaried account customers who are facing a cash crunch. Sandeep Bakshi is the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank. Next is HDFC, Ergo and Tropogo have partnered to offer commercial drone owners and operators third-party liability claim cover for property damage. This policy is the first of its kind in the non-life insurance segment in India. Next is World Wildlife Fund (WWF) conducts the first population estimation exercise of Indian gaur in the Nilgiris Forest, Tamil Nadu. Indian gaur, largest and tallest animal in the wild cattle family. Next is a new species of spider has been found in Madagascar and named after Swedish climate campaigner Greta Thunberg. Next is the United States has got its largest Hanuman statue, which is 25 feet high, built in Delaware. It is the tallest statue of a Hindu god in the country. It has been carved from a solid block of granite block. Next is India will be sending a tri-service contingent to participate in Russian Victory Parade on June 24, 2020. The Russian parade was supposed to be held on Victory Day on 9 May, but got delayed due to COVID-19. Next and last is obituaries. Former New Zealand cricketer Matt Pure passed away at 90. Next is former Lok Sabha MP and founder of Jan Lakshmi Cooperative Bank, Madhav Rao Patil, passed away. So this is all for today. If you like it, give me your feedback in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AMS Academy. Thank you everyone.